Beautiful.
That is really impressive.
So nice to see hyena here. You can see why they're here. You see this hyena chewing on this bone. They make it look so easy to snap through those bones.
Aren't they usually in groups?
They live in clans, but they don't always travel in groups. They often move around and feed on their own. This is probably one of the lower ranking hyenas in the clan, which is why he's on the carcass at the moment. The other higher ranking individuals have probably been here already, and he wasn't allowed in. And I've only just approached the carcass now. If you see a big, fully grown female hyena, she is much bigger than that. This looks like still possibly a sub-adult, or possibly a male, which are much smaller than those big females. The others could still be around. Sometimes they move off and check the area, they scout around and patrol to make sure that there are no lions sneaking up on them, and then they'll come back to the carcass. All those little hooded vultures are specialist feeders. They've got very thin beaks, so they're able to get in amongst all the ribs, in amongst all the vertebrae. The other bigger vultures we saw waiting around yesterday would have been looking for bigger chunks of meat. And now that there's not any of that around, those other vultures aren't interested. But these vultures still have a lot of work to do. By the end of today, we're just going to see white. All those ribs are going to be scraped clean. All those vertebrae are going to be clean from all these vultures. Scraping all the meat away from the bone.
That is impressive.
In a couple of weeks' time, all that will be remaining of this is literally the head. Not necessarily even that lower jaw, just the top part of the skull and the horns.
Who is it that eats the rest of the bones?
The
hyena.
Just on his back stretch out. Eats a little bit now and a little bit more later.
That's better.
Gradually.
So do you think the other hyenas are sleeping it off right now?
They're probably on the move.
Really
No, I mean hyenas. I mean they also don't rely on lions hunting for them. They do all their own hunting. So they may have gone hunting last night. They killed something. They've eaten. They came past here. They had a little bit more. And they carried on. Hyenas they're very, very fat animals. Even if they've got a big fat full stomach, they don't lie around like the lions do. They've often got places to go to. If they're mums, they've got to head back to the birds to suckle the cubs. And also to sleep there.
I see what's happening.
Sub-adult vulture, when it develops a full red or pink face, that's when it will be an adult. When the face still looks a bit white, it's still young. It usually takes about 6 years for the vulture to mature. So he's still maybe. Really how far he can push his boundaries.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice in this early morning light as well.
Beautiful.
Did you not have anything to do with the justice? It was moved.
Yeah, I mean, they'll all be related in some way, depending on how much, what instructions you give them, and how much flow you get on the off as well. So, right. So if you have a high shutter speed, you're going to cut down some walls, put it a bit freezing. If you get a slower shutter speed, you get more glare in the actual subject. Birds and flies.
Absolutely just lying around today. The amount of pressure, the amount of force coming down when they bite a bone like that, I reckon it's about 2,000 pounds per square inch. It's incredibly strong.
Yeah. I used to think hyenas were ugly. They're actually kind of pretty.
I love them.
Yeah.
They are beautiful. I think unfortunately they are so badly portrayed in so
Yeah.
many documentaries that's given them such a bad rep, and then you watch The Lion King and that doesn't help either.
Yeah.
Um,
They're actually beautiful
they're actually
animals.
beautiful animals.
Yeah.
And if you're ever fortunate enough to have to know the whereabouts of a hyena den, it's beautiful. You can go there. After a morning like this, I would go and sit at the den because I know those big adult females when we're coming back to the den, they're going to be nice and full, they're going to be lying around, and when they're lying around, it gives the confidence of the youngsters to come out and play around. And watching those little cubs, which are, when they're young, they are black. They look like little bears, these big ears, and they're black. Gradually their spots start coming through, but up until they're about 18 months, they'll stay at the den. And just to watch the interactions between the different hyenas coming and going, and between the cubs playing with each other and just chewing on everything, like dogs really. You get to see and understand such a different side of a hyena. There you go.
What animal are they like most closely related to?
Yeah, I mean they say that they are not. It's very interesting. They make a difference for these vultures. They are definitely not related to cats. They are not related to dogs either. If anything, they're more closely related to cats than dogs.
Really?
But they reckon of all the animals in the area, the mongoose is probably their closest relative.
It's a massive mongoose.
Yeah. And hyenas, thousands of years ago, used to be a different looking animal. They were much bigger. They were actually bigger than lions.
Wow.
Actually not this breed of hyena,
Yeah.
but a different sort of breed of hyena. You had the saber-toothed tigers around in those days.
Ah.
The hyenas used to rule the plains there. You can imagine such a sociable animal of that size working in groups together. When the only disadvantage they have really is that they can't climb. So leopards are able to hoist their prey up into a tree so that they can't get. But as a group, sometimes they can all get together and take on a pride of lions. Sometimes even if there is a male there, because they'll constantly just keep harassing and harassing and harassing and harassing, and that lion eventually gets tired of chasing and chasing. Eventually he's going to give up. I watched a group of hyenas tree up. At Pampas Time, there was one or two around Narikida, but they're not moved to south. One of Pampas Time was moving south. edible sense of smell. I'm kind of picking up scent of what other hyenas have been around here. Amazing something, guys.
So you normally like to get that deep in the water? Yeah.
There's a few hot days now, so it's just
Yeah.
cooling off. Not worried about any crocodiles, obviously. Very thick clay soil inside there as well, so it's not easy to move around. The last thing he wants to do is be ambushed inside there by some lions. So every now and then you can see him looking around to make sure that everything's safe.
Sticking his whole face.
Great pictures.
Someone.
Wow, it's fascinating.